Are you happy we're at the beach? Yes, I'm very excited to go in the water and stuff. Yes, cousin day. I'm so excited. Anyways, I'm gonna go in the water. What about you? Nah, I think I'm gonna chill here for a sec. I'll watch you. Okay, if you say so. Have fun. I will. OMG, there's so many fish here. Ooh. I'm gonna swim for a bit. It's so relaxing, but where's Ava? I should probably get out of the water and look for Ava. Ava! I don't know where Ava is, but it's really relaxing here. Look at the water, it's so nice. Even though I can't find Ava, I really like it here. There's even some music. And what is that? Is that a pirate ship? And the music is coming from there. Oh my god, a pirate ship. Wow, that's so cool. A pirate ship. I wonder if any pirates are on there. I want to make a sandcastle. Wow, I like this castle. Even though it looks nothing like a castle. It just looks like a mountain or something. But I still really like it. The water is very warm in here. I better get out. I really don't like it. It's too hot. Barbie, why did you swim all the way here? Oops, I'm sorry. I better swim a bit too far. But I'm so happy I found you. Let's go home. Yeah, let's go.